What's up guys, Dean here, and let's talk about getting fit. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, this video is for you. We're all busy, I get it. Work, family, errands. Sometimes the day is over before it even begins. It feels like there's never enough time to focus on ourselves. But you know what? We all have 10 minutes to spare. Yes, just 10 minutes can make a world of difference. That's right, just 10 minutes to invest in a healthier, stronger you. Imagine what you can achieve in such a short time. No fancy gym memberships, no complicated equipment. All you need is your own body weight and the willingness to push yourself. You can do this right in your living room, bedroom, or even in your backyard. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a beginner-friendly 10-minute home workout that will target all the major muscle groups. We'll cover exercises that are simple yet effective. We'll be focusing on proper form and controlled movements to ensure you get the most out of each exercise while avoiding any injuries. It's important to do each move correctly to maximize benefits and stay safe. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness. It's not about doing a lot at once, but about doing a little regularly. Even if you can only squeeze in this quick routine a few times a week, you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Your body will start to feel stronger and your energy levels will increase. So what are you waiting for? Clear some space, grab some water, and let's crush this workout together. Get ready to feel the burn and enjoy the journey towards a fitter you. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with some bodyweight squats. These are a fundamental exercise that you can do anywhere, anytime without any equipment. Perfect for beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. Squats are an amazing compound exercise that work wonders for your legs and glutes. They engage multiple muscle groups, including your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, providing a comprehensive lower body workout. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly outward. This stance helps in maintaining balance and ensures that you engage the right muscles. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair. This visualization helps in maintaining the correct form and prevent your knees from going too far forward. Keep your back straight, core engaged, and lower yourself down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Engaging your core is crucial as it provides stability and protects your lower back. Make sure your knees are in line with your toes throughout the movement. This alignment is essential to avoid unnecessary strain on your knees and to ensure that you're working the right muscles. As you come back up, drive through your heels and squeeze your glutes at the top. This not only maximizes muscle engagement, but also helps in maintaining balance and stability. Remember, quality over quantity. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout each repetition. It's better to do fewer squats with perfect form than to rush through them and risk injury. If you're new to squats, start with a smaller range of motion and gradually increase it as you get stronger. This approach helps in building strength and confidence over time. You can also modify the exercise by doing half squats or even chair squats. These variations are great for those who might have mobility issues or are recovering from an injury. The key is to listen to your body and find what works best for you. Everyone's body is different, and it's important to adjust the exercise to suit your individual needs and capabilities. Squats are a fantastic way to build lower body strength and improve your mobility. They also help in enhancing your overall functional fitness, making everyday activities easier. Keep pushing, you got this. Consistency is key, and with regular practice you'll see significant improvements in your strength and endurance. So stay motivated and keep squatting. Now let's move on to some push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective exercises you can do at home. They require no equipment and can be done almost anywhere, making them a versatile addition to any workout routine. Push-ups are a classic bodyweight exercise that targets your chest, shoulders and triceps. They also engage your core and lower body, providing a full body workout. This makes them an excellent exercise for building strength and endurance. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, fingers pointing forward. Ensure your wrists are aligned with your shoulders to avoid unnecessary strain. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. This alignment is crucial for maintaining proper form and preventing injury. Engage your core muscles to keep your hips from sagging or lifting too high. Lower your chest towards the ground by bending your elbows at a 45-degree angle. This angle helps to target the chest muscles more effectively while reducing the risk of shoulder injury. Keep your core engaged and back flat. This not only helps in maintaining proper form, but also maximizes the effectiveness of the exercise by engaging multiple muscle groups. Once your chest grazes the floor, push yourself back up to the starting position. Make sure to extend your arms fully at the top of the movement to complete the rep. Remember to breathe throughout the exercise. Inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push back up. Proper breathing helps to maintain a steady rhythm and provides your muscles with the oxygen they need. If you're finding it challenging to do a standard push-up, no worries. It's common to struggle at first, but there are modifications you can make to build up your strength. You can modify the exercise by doing knee push-ups. This variation reduces the amount of body weight you need to lift, making it easier to perform the movement. Simply lower your knees to the ground while maintaining the same body alignment. Ensure your hips stay in line with your shoulders and knees to keep the exercise effective. As you get stronger, you can gradually work your way up to standard push-ups. Start by increasing the number of knee push-ups you can do. Then try to perform a few standard push-ups each session. Push-ups are a fantastic way to build upper body strength and improve your overall fitness. They also enhance your cardiovascular health and can be a great addition to a high-intensity interval training Shy-Eat routine. Keep up the great work. Consistency is key, and with regular practice you'll see significant improvements in your strength and endurance. Remember, every push-up brings you one step closer to your fitness goals. Chapter 3, High Knees. Time to get that heart rate up with some high knees. This cardio exercise is all about bringing those knees up high while engaging your core. Stand with your feet hip width apart and arms bent at a 90-degree angle. Now, start running in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest with each step. Focus on maintaining an upright posture and engaging your core throughout the exercise. You should feel your heart rate increasing and your body warming up. High knees are a fantastic way to improve your cardiovascular endurance, coordination, and burn some serious calories. Keep those knees high and that energy up. Chapter 4, Standing Oblique Crunches. Let's target those obliques with some standing oblique crunches. This exercise is great for toning your core and improving your balance. Stand with your feet hip width apart and hands behind your head. Now, brace your core and crunch your right elbow towards your left knee, lifting your left leg off the ground. Make sure to keep your chest lifted and avoid pulling on your neck. Return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Standing oblique crunches are a fantastic way to engage your entire core while also challenging your balance and coordination. Keep those abs tight and those movements controlled. Chapter 5. Jumping Jacks. Last but not least, let's finish strong with some classic jumping jacks. This exercise is a fun and effective way to keep the energy high and burn those calories. Stand with your feet together and arms at your sides. Now, jump your feet out to the sides while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Land softly on your feet and immediately jump back to the starting position. Jumping jacks are a fantastic full body exercise that gets your heart pumping and improves your cardiovascular health. Keep that energy up and finish this workout strong. Otro, you crushed it. Great job, everyone. You just completed a 10-minute full body workout that would leave you feeling energized and accomplished. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to fitness. Even if you can only fit in a few short workouts each week, you'll start to notice a difference in your strength, endurance, and overall well-being. Make sure to listen to your body, take breaks when needed, and most importantly, have fun with it. Fitness should be enjoyable and empowering. Keep pushing yourself, stay dedicated, and you'll achieve amazing results. I'm proud of you for taking this step towards a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, stay active and keep crushing it.